BitsBytes. Today we are trying to create the APIs, Application Programming Interface, that is a full form of API. So let me create a one file that is description dot or let's take context.txt. So basically API stands for Application Programming Interface. Like, as already aware about what is the interface. Interface is uh, what? Interface is like a contract between the client and the developer, basically. So, if I'm talking about the application programming interface, so that it is the application and the programming contract. Okay, so basically, your application can be anything. It can be developed on React.js or Vue.js or any other platform like Angular, or it can be a mobile app like iOS app or iOS application or the Android application, basically Android application. But everything should be connected is somewhere, right? So every time we need a data, some business logics will be implemented. But like if you have lot of applications for the users, right, for your user, so you have some contract between your application and the backend side, so programming, basically programming side. So in every business logic, whatever your business logic will be, programmed in somewhere, right? So that's why we are going with the backend. As we know, Go is a backend technology, basically, so in which we are going to create a APIs or API. And APIs means referred to a CRUD operation. Now what is CRUD? So CRUD is basically C stands for create, R stands for read, and U stands for update, and D stands for delete. There is a four operation you can perform with the any data. So you can create your data, you can update your data, you can read your data and delete your data, basically. So now, not become a boring lecture, let's turn it into the practical. So first of all, we need a main.go, as I need package.main. So I would like to tell you one more thing. VS Code pre-installed Copilot helps a lot. It will automatically suggest what is the syntax of it or what is the use of it. So keep in mind when you are writing anything, just you need to work on the basics, basically the concepts. Now I can write read function if just I wrote it because the package is still giving the error because I didn't use yet. So I just need to click on the tab and it will be automatically, so session will be in a live. So first of all, I created a one API, we call API, but how you are reading that API? What is the API? So basically, let's make it more simpler. Let's create another function, which is like hello world, the world, and it is like simple. It is just returning the w dot, right, hello world, and we are going to pass as an argument in this function. Handler function is a native function which takes two parameters. One is a one function that need to be executed, and one first parameter will be your URL, your basically API path. I will tell you what is API path in later, but right now just keep in mind there is a path which need to be triggered. So this is the path I am providing, that is a forward slash, and hello world is the function that need to be executed. If someone triggered this part, that function got triggered automatically. So let's go with this. Now we need a terminal to execute this. So give me a few minutes, it takes a little bit time. Go run main.go is a function. You can see it is not printing anything, it is not doing anything, but it is giving the pop-up that is trying to run the port 8080, which I need to allow. Otherwise, that is not running. I want to allow that. Make it enough. Allow. Maybe not enough. And we should need to check with the security because it is coming the main.accept main function. Definitely somewhere we are having the privacy and the security policies where we are getting that lockdown transaction this that store and store which should be allowed. Okay, we close it so that it will not come in the picture and then again we run the main.com. It will come again and we just allow. Now the API is live. Now, how can I hit that? So you need a browser. Let's open Safari. Yeah. So localhost 8080 is your path and // is your T. So you can see it is printed hello world. Right now it is a basic text. In the API's journey, there is a lot of formats got introduced as changes needs to required. So this is the first video of the API. In another video, we are going to create a CRUD operation. This CRUD operation with the user variable. I'm not going to add any database layer or anything. And then later on, I will be working on the other areas. Thank you and keep follow me, subscribe me for more videos and hope you learn a little bit about the APIs and it will be helpful. That video is more helpful for you and happy to answer any questions if you have or if you have any suggestions for the content, put in the comment section so I will pick up and try to implement those as well. Thank you everyone.